Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing absolutely well. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to draw fractals in Tradingview in 2026. So if you are interested in purchasing Tradingview subscription, you can just check out the link of this Black Friday deal in the description. In this deal, you will get the subscriptions of Tradingview at 80% off plus 1 month free. Only 2 days left in this deal, so make sure that you hurry if you are interested. Now, in order to draw the fractal in TradingView, you need to first of all come here on tradingview.com. Then simply log in into your account if you haven't already. Over here, click on the option of products in order to launch the chart in front of you. Once you see the chart, that is going to look something like this. You need to first of all click on the option of indicators. Over here in the indicators, the indicator that you need to search for is called fractals. So among these, you can either click on the option of fractals here in the community section, or you can click on the option of William fractals. So whichever option you choose, you are going to see these types of fractals over here on your chart. So here you can click on the brush, the path or the arrow tools to mark the swing high and the swing low to consider the fractal points. So this is the swing high and this is the swing low. So here you can just simply use the Fibonacci or any other tools in order to basically mark these. Then when you are marking them, you just have to click the top or the bottom of the candle's wick and place your arrow, or you need to simply place your marker there. You can change its color, its size and its style with the help of its settings. Its settings will be available here in this section. When you click on this drop down menu, you will see this settings icon. So here you can select the period, then you can select the styles, you can change the colors, you can change the arrows over here, and you can also change its position. So this way you will be able to basically draw the fractals in TradingView and you will be able to use them here on your chart. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.